When it comes time to sell your house, you have several choices about how to go about it. Two of the most common, which are to go it on your own as a for sale by owner, or to hire a real estate agent or a realtor like me to do it for you. In this video, we're going to talk about the pros and the cons of each. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make that important decision. Hi, my name is Joel Y. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate since 2009. If you subscribe to my channel, I'll show you how to sell your house fast and sell it for the most money. And this video I'm making today, go ahead and like it now, because in the long run, it's going to save you lots of money. So they teach us as an argument when we're working with for sale by owners to convince them that they can literally net more money, even including commissions, when they hire a real estate agent. And if you believe that, you should just stop watching this video right now and go ahead and hire a real estate agent. But in the world of reality, let's talk about what's going to actually work best for you to save money or to have somebody else do that work for you. So first, let's see what a real estate agent actually does for you. A real estate agent will help you to price your house correctly, which is super important. They'll show you how to get your house ready for market, what you can do to make it worth the most money, and they'll walk you through the process. They'll do all the paperwork and everything for you, and they'll also negotiate for you. Now, when it comes to negotiating a real estate transaction, most of the negotiating is actually just two real estate agents passing information back and forth between the buyer and the seller. So you can take that as it is with a grain of salt. Now, the cons to hire a real estate agent, of course, are the money that it costs. To sell a house, a brokerage charges anywhere between 4.5% and 7% of the contract price. So, for an example, the National Association of Realtors says that the average home price in June of 2020, just 7 months ago, was $295,300. So if you're paying the average 6% commission, that's going to cost you about $18,000 to sell your house. Yeah, $18,000. Think about that. It's a lot of money. So a lot of people these days are selling their house on their own. In fact, I see more and more all the time. So going it on your own, selling your house yourself, what are the pros and the cons of that? Well, the obvious pros is that you're going to save a lot of money. And another pro is, and I've heard some people say that they just get satisfaction out of knowing that they did it themselves. So let's go to the cons of selling your house yourself. Now, the cons are basically just the opposite of what the pros are for hiring a real estate agent. You're going to have to price the house yourself. You're going to have to get the house ready for market. Now, keep in mind, you're going to have to get the house ready for market on your own anyway, even if you hire a real estate agent. They just tell you what to do. They don't actually do the work for you or pay for it. You're still stuck doing that. Another con to selling your house yourself, and this is the big one, is finding a schedule where you're able to show the house to potential buyers. Because we're all busy. You work, I work, and that's what a real estate agent or the real estate industry does for you mostly, is they make your house available to potential buyers. So once you get that figured out, you got it licked. And now, it sounds really daunting selling your house yourself, but there are tons of sites on the internet that'll show you how to do it. In fact, if you subscribe to this channel and watch my videos, I have lots of videos that'll show you how to price your house correctly to make sure you don't leave any money on the table and get the most money out of it. I have videos that will show you exactly what you need to do room by room to get your house ready for market. And I have videos that'll show you how to market your house to make sure that you get the most money out of it. So make sure you subscribe and also like this video today, because I know after watching this that you're probably going to decide to sell your house yourself once you see how easy it really is. And as always, thanks for watching.